Hey guys, it's Rick with WTI.
We needed to get some new bedside lights for our room because our other ones were a bit wonky and I was sick of cleaning the glass on them all the time. These lamps from AKASUKI are absolutely perfect. I love the look of them. They are so beautiful, a bit industrial, a bit farmhouse. I really appreciated that it came with the bulbs, and they're also really nice looking bulbs. The cage swings a bit, so you don't have to worry if you hit it in the night that it's going to break. And I love that you can turn it on from the side or the bottom. It's super handy that it has these two USB charging ports, so you can charge two things at once, or I like to put my little scent machine in one and charge my phone with the other. My husband charges his watch and his phone on his. I just love the look of these, and they take up minimal space, which is great because I have a lot of things on my nightstand at all times, so I love that.
If you need some new bedside lights, I highly recommend these ones. I love that there's 3 dimmable settings and 2 USB charging ports, but it's also super pretty and looks great with any sort of decor. I love these lamps so much, and I think you will too. And that's my point of view.